Hey everyone, I'm Marie, life coach here and owner of the Soul Awakening Academy. This is a tapping technique I'm going to show you. It's called Emotional Freedom Technique. And what this does, it works on the principles of Chinese acupuncture. So it's like an emotional acupuncture for the body. And what it does, it helps to clear, release limiting beliefs, stored emotions, blocked energy, and it really can be quite transformative in a short space of time. So today I'm going to work and give you a tapping script on weight loss, or weight reduction, however this shows up for you. Some people can feel that they suppress their emotions, therefore they binge eat, and other people who are emotionally affected by food are those where their digestive system switches off because they're in fight or flight mode. And when we're in a high level of anxiety, our digestive system can simply switch off and we don't want to eat. So even though we automatically think emotional eaters turn to food, actually the opposite is true as well. So I'm going to show you a technique. It's going to be very generic, very open for everybody to use. And when I say name these feelings or these feelings of X, Y, Z, then you can fill in the blanks by naming your feelings, naming your emotions. So first of all, we're going to rate the intensity you have to your current problem. So if you think about your current issue, your problem, your challenge with weight, see what sensations you notice in your body. Maybe close your eyes and tune into the body. What are you holding on to? Where do you feel this issue, challenge in your body? And what mental picture forms in your mind's eye when you think about this weight issue? Now I want you to start to become more aware of what that emotion is or that sensation is in the body. Does it have a name? Does it have a sound? If it were a thing or an object, what would it look like? What's its shape? Is it moving or still? Is it full colour or black and white? Just start to really tune in to what this sensation is. The more aware you can become of your triggers, the better choices you can make. And I want you to give this an intensity rating. So 0 doesn't bother you at all, and 10, it extremely bothers you. And just rate the feeling you have towards this problem. Okay, and then I'm going to show you how to do a very basic EFT tapping technique for weight loss. So we're going to use the karate chop of the hand, the soft spot. Doesn't matter what hand you use or which side of the face you tap, absolutely fine to use any. So the karate chop, even though, and tap, even though I have this issue with my weight, I completely and utterly love and accept myself. Even though I have this issue with weight, I completely and utterly love and accept myself. Even though I have this issue with weight or food, change the words to suit you. I completely and utterly love and accept myself. This issue with weight, I completely and utterly love and accept myself. Even though I have this issue with my weight, I completely and utterly love and accept myself. Outside of the eyebrow, even though I have these feelings of, or this issue of, I completely and utterly love and accept myself. Even though I have these feelings of, this issue of, I completely and utterly love and accept myself. Even though I have these feelings of, this challenge of, this problem of, I love and accept myself anyway. feelings of, these feelings of, these feelings of, under the arm, these feelings of, these feelings of, these feelings of. And take a nice deep breath in and release. Now tune into that problem, maybe tune into the mental image or the emotions and see, have they gone down the intensity? If they started at an 8 or a 7, where have they gone down to? And I want you to keep on tapping until you get to a 0 or as close to a 0 as you can possibly get. You will notice when you have an energy release, you might start to sigh or yawn. The body might want to move to release some energy. So you can do this sequence as often as you need to. So you start on the karate point, the soft spot, even though I have this issue, problem, feelings of, I completely and utterly love and accept myself. Top of the head, you can just use one hand or two. Top of the head, even though I have these feelings of, this problem with, this challenge of XYZ, I love and accept myself. Inside the eyebrow, even though I have this issue with my weight, I completely and utterly love and accept myself. So for example, even though I hate my body, I love and accept myself anyway. Even though I feel ashamed of myself, I completely and utterly love and accept myself. Even though I binge eat, I feel ashamed, I hide it, anything, whatever comes to mind, I love and accept myself anyway. Even though I have this issue, I have these feelings, I have this problem, I have this challenge of, name it. The more you can name it, the more it's unblocking, okay? Even though I have these feelings of shame, guilt, resentment, bitterness, anger, anything, whatever comes up, I love and accept myself anyway. That's a very basic, generic script for weight loss with EFT. So if you want to know more about what I do, or you want to ask me any questions about this, please just find me through the soulawakeningacademy.co.uk. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, and you'll find the website on the email as well, on Google. Thanks very much, guys. Bye.